Podcast title Resolving Consumer Disputes Through Legal Aid and Lok Adalat. Introduction. Welcome to episode 25 of our series Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. Today we will discuss how consumer disputes ranging from faulty products to poor services can be resolved with the help of legal aid and Lok Adalat. If you are facing issues with defective goods, non-fulfillment of services, or unfair practices by businesses, this episode is for you. Let's explore how you can how you can seek justice and resolve your consumer disputes without going through lengthy court procedures. Segment 1: Common consumer disputes. Defective or substandard goods. Products that don't meet quality standards are damaged or fail to work as expected. Unfair trade practices. Businesses engaging in misleading advertising, false claims, or failing to deliver on promises. Delayed services. Services that are promised but not delivered within the agreed time frame or incomplete services. Overcharging or hidden costs. Instances where consumers are charged more than what was agreed upon or additional hidden charges are imposed. Segment 2: How legal aid helps in consumer disputes. Free legal support. Legal aid can help consumers access free legal advice, assistance in filing complaints, and representation in consumer forums. Filing complaints in consumer courts. Legal aid can guide consumers on how to file complaints in district consumer redressal forums, state consumer disputes redressal commissions, or the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Mediation and negotiation. Legal aid can help consumers negotiate with businesses to reach a fair settlement without resorting to lengthy litigation. Segment 3: Resolving consumer disputes through Lok Adalat. Mediation based approach. Lok Adalat provides a platform for resolving consumer disputes through peaceful mediation, avoiding the adversarial nature of courts. Speed and efficiency. Lok Adalat helps resolve consumer disputes in a timely manner, reducing the waiting time that is often experienced in traditional courts. Cost effective solution. Consumers do not have to pay hefty legal fees to resolve their disputes in Lok Adalat, making it accessible to everyone. Binding decisions. The decisions made in Lok Adalat are legally binding, ensuring that businesses comply with the resolution. Segment 4: How to approach Lok Adalat for consumer disputes. Step 1: Identify if your consumer dispute is eligible for Lok Adalat. Typically, cases that involve consumer goods, services, and unfair practices can be taken to Lok Adalat. Step 2: Approach the nearest legal services authority or contact a paralegal volunteer to help you file your case. Step 3: Gather all necessary documents including receipts, warranties, contracts, and any communication with the business involved. Step 4: Attend the Lok Adalat hearing where a mediator will help facilitate a fair and amicable resolution. Step 5: Once an agreement is reached, the decision will be recorded and enforced as a binding judgment. Segment 5: Real life success stories. Case study 1: A consumer who purchased a defective smartphone was able to receive a full refund through Lok Adalat after presenting the case of the defective product. Case study 2: A customer who was overcharged for a service subscription reached a fair settlement with the service provider, resulting in a refund through Lok Adalat mediation. Case study 3: A family who faced delayed construction of their home got compensation for the delay and quality issues through a settlement facilitated by Lok Adalat. Conclusion: Consumer disputes need not to lead to prolonged legal battles. Lok Adalat offers a quicker, more accessible, and cost-effective way to resolve such issues, ensuring that consumers get the justice they deserve without the stress of expensive legal fees or long court processes. Call to action: If you are facing a consumer dispute, don't hesitate to seek legal aid or approach Lok Adalat for a resolution. Share this episode to help others understand how they can use legal aid and Lok Adalat to resolve consumer issues effectively. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for our next episode where we continue exploring legal aid resources available to you. Stay informed, stay empowered.